Hello, my name is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. Regularly, on a weekly basis, if not sometimes daily basis, I have customers ringing up about their downlights. A lot of the time we're replacing the downlights with new ones. Examples being like this. However, a lot of the downlights may just need lamps changing. How do I get into them? And other times it could be integrated lights. The lights have got a light bulb already built into it. And how do you get this light fitting out of the ceiling? The light fittings, these downlights, have these big invasive springs on them. With not really knowing what you're doing, you can snap your fingers because these springs go down on you. All the springs are pushed up high. So you pull these things out. Not only do you wreck your ceiling if you're pulling it wrong, but you break your nails, hurt your fingers, bruise your fingers. So take a look through this video I've put together of me taking somebody's integrated downlight out of the kitchen so we can identify the brand, identify the colour of the light source. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been of use to you. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help to you and will be of further interest. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that notification bell to keep updated with more videos which we release.